video about women on menstruation where you mentioned that it is allowed for a woman to enter a masjid, but can it also also for her touch the Quran when she has it? Again, this is difference of opinion amongst the scholars when it comes to a woman entering the masjid while she's on her menstruation, or reading the Quran, or grabbing or touching the mushaf while she's on her menstruation. This is a difference of opinion. Even that though, the overwhelming majority of scholars hold the opinion that it's not allowed for a woman to touch the mushaf while she's on her menstruation. The overwhelming majority of the scholars are of the opinion that she should not touch the mushaf while she's on her menstruation. That's the view of the majority of scholars. But there is a group of scholars who hold the opinion that she can. And I, after looking at the evidences and observing the discussion, I am more lenient towards the evidences or the proof and the argument that a woman can touch the mushaf while she's on her menstruation and she can enter the masjid. I'm more inclined to that opinion. But I do accept that there is a valid difference of opinion in this issue. Okay? There's a valid difference of opinion in this issue, which both parties are very strong in their arguments. But I still believe that there's one view that is stronger, and that is that the woman can go into the masjid while she's on her menstruation, and she can touch the mushaf while she's on her menstruation. I hold that opinion strongly, and I believe that is that's the strongest opinion. That's the correct opinion. But with that being said, I will still tell a sister to avoid doing so. Why? From the perspective of honoring the masjid and honoring the Quran. The Quran should be something that we do in the best form. We shouldn't even hold the mushaf if we're not in a state of wudu. And if we're not in a state of wudu, it's not good to hold the mushaf. But you can, but it's not good. I say that the person should try to hold the mushaf in a state of tahara. I'll also say the same to a person to try to enter enter the masjid, assist to enter the masjid in a state of purity and tahara. That's the best way. And that's the best path that she should take.